In today's video, we want to look at how to solve the integral of sine x squared. First, we want to see if we can use any trig identities to simplify this expression. We know that sine x squared is also equal to 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. And we'll see how the right side of the expression can simplify our integral. So let's plug into our original function. We have the integral of 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 dx. Next, we can split this integral into two parts. The first part is the integral of 1/2 dx. The second part is we minus the integral of cosine 2x over 2 dx. And for the first part, we know the integral of any constant is going to be the constant times x. So we have 1/2 x minus. And when we look at this part, 1/2 is the coefficient. So we basically want to calculate what's the integral of 2x dx. In here, you have two options. One is you can use u substitution, which set your u is equal to 2x, and then du is equal to 2 times dx. Then we have the integral of cosine 2x, which becomes cosine of u times 1/2 du. The integral of cosine u, which becomes sine u. Then 1/2 is the coefficient we put in front of that. Then we have, and the last step, substitute u back to x, which is 1/2 sine 2x. So that's one way to go about it. Another way to look at it, which could be faster, we know the integral of cosine 2x has to include the term sine 2x. But we weren't unsure about the coefficient. So if we take the derivative of sine 2x, we would get 2 times cosine 2x. Because we're using the chain rule here, we have a coefficient 2 in front of it. Then we compare the right side with our question. We notice for the initial question, we don't have the coefficient 2. Therefore, the integral of cosine 2x dx is going to be 1/2 times what's inside this parentheses, which is 1/2 times sine 2x. Okay, so now we plug in the result to our original equation. Here we have 1/2. Let's take it out. We have 1/2 of the integral of cosine 2x dx. And we know this integral is equal to 1/2 sine 2x. So let's combine with the coefficient in front of it. we would have 1/4 times sine 2x. And because this is an indefinite integral, we will also have a term of plus c at the end, so plus constant. And this is the answer we have for this question.